Today I'm going to show you how to restring a Ryobi 18-volt string trimmer. First thing you need to do is remove this head cover, and there are two buttons. You need to depress one on this side and one over here. Hold them in and it will pop off, and any old string will fall out and you can get rid of that. Pull out the spool. To rewind it, super simple. All you need to do is get your 0.065 string line and find the hole that's in the middle of the spool right here. You're going to slot some of your string line into this, like that. If you look on this side here, you see the string line has started to work its way in and through here, and that's going to hold it in place. See some arrows on the top here, and you're just going to wind in that direction. Rewind the string line until the string line gets close to these little notches here, but don't cover them up. And we're coming up on finishing this piece that I have right here, and you want to leave about 6 inches sticking out of the weed eater because it's a 13-inch swath, so we're going to stop it there. And then we're going to hook this into here. Now, that means that it's not going to just come apart after I just spent all that time winding it up. Now we just rewound this spool. Replacing it is the exact same if you're using pre-wound spools that you bought in the store. You're going to thread the string line through the hole here. You're going to pull this in, and you're going to center it on the hole that's already there. Now that we have the spool installed, you can push the string line out of this little holder here, but make sure you're holding the string line up or it might spring loose. So hold the spool in, push this off, and hold string line taut. Take your cover and slot it on, making sure that it locates properly in the two holes that we had pressed before, so over here and on the other side.